Welcome to our video on finding the median. The median is a measure of central tendency, which means it helps us identify the middle value in a data set. The median is the middle value of a data set when the values are arranged in ascending or descending order. It's particularly useful when our data contains outliers or extreme values, as the median is not affected by them as much as the mean would be. Let's see how to find the median. First, let's consider a data set with an odd number of values. For example, the set 3, 8, 2, 5, 7. Step 1. Arrange the data in ascending order. So we reorder our set to 2, 3, 5, 7, 8. Step 2. Find the middle value. Since we have 5 values, the middle value is at position 3, which is the value 5. Therefore, the median of our data set is 5. Now, let's look at a case where we have an even number of values. For example, the set 12, 5, 9, 3, 8, 6. Step 1. Arrange the data in ascending order. So we reorder our set to 3, 5, 6, 8, 9, 12. Step 2. Since we have an even number of values, 6, there is no single middle value. Instead, we take the two middle values, which are at positions 3 and 4. These are 6 and 8. We then calculate the average of these two numbers, 6 plus 8, divided by 2, which equals 7. Therefore, the median of our data set is 7. Now, let's see a practical example of why the median can be more useful than the mean in certain situations. Consider the annual salaries of employees in a small company. Let's calculate both the mean and the median of these salaries. The mean is the sum of all salaries divided by the number of employees. 45,000 plus 48,000 plus 50,000 plus 52,000 plus 55,000 plus 150,000 divided by 6, which equals $66,667. For the median, we arrange the salaries in order, which they already are, and since we have 6 values, we take the average of the third and fourth values, 50,000 plus 52,000 divided by 2, which equals $51,000. Notice the significant difference between the mean and median. The mean salary is $66,667, while the median is $51,000. This difference occurs because the CEO's high salary of $150,000 is an outlier that pulls the mean upward. Most employees actually earn closer to the median value of $51,000. That's why the median gives us a more accurate picture of the typical salary in this company. So, when should you use the median instead of the mean? Here are some common situations where the median is preferred: when your data has outliers or extreme values, when dealing with skewed distributions for income and house price data, and when working with ordinal data where values are in categories with a specific order. To summarize, the median is the middle value in a data set when arranged in order. For an odd number of values, it's the middle value. For an even number of values, it's the average of the two middle values. The median is less affected by outliers than the mean, making it a more robust measure of central tendency in many real-world situations. Thanks for watching this explanation of the median. Now you should be able to calculate the median for any data set and understand when it's the most appropriate measure to use.